What are grand theories of psychology? Grand theories of psychology are overarching theories that attempt to explain the nature of human behavior, thought, and emotion. These theories have been influential in shaping the field of psychology and have helped researchers to understand the complex nature of human behavior. In this video lecture, we will explore some of the most important grand theories of psychology. One of the earliest grand theories of psychology is psychoanalysis, developed by Sigmund Freud in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. According to Freud, human behavior is driven by unconscious desires and conflicts. He believed that much of our behavior is motivated by sexual and aggressive impulses that are repressed in our unconscious minds. Psychoanalysis is a form of therapy that seeks to bring these unconscious desires and conflicts to the surface, allowing individuals to gain insight into their behavior and emotions. Another important grand theory of psychology is behaviorism, which emerged in the early 20th century. Behaviorism is based on the idea that behavior can be explained by environmental factors, such as rewards and punishments. This theory emphasizes the role of observable behavior in shaping human psychology, and it is often associated with the famous experiments of B.F. Skinner and his followers. Skinner believed that behavior could be shaped through a process called operant conditioning, in which behavior is reinforced or punished based on its consequences. Cognitive psychology emerged in the 1950s and 60s as a reaction to behaviorism. This grand theory emphasizes the role of internal mental processes in shaping human behavior. Cognitive psychologists study topics such as perception, attention, memory, and problem solving, and they use a variety of methods to study these processes, including computer simulations and brain imaging techniques. This grand theory has had a significant impact on fields such as education, neuroscience, and artificial intelligence. Another important grand theory of psychology is humanism, which emerged in the mid-20th century. Humanism emphasizes the importance of individual experience and personal growth. It argues that individuals have innate capacities for self-actualization, and that they can achieve their full potential through personal growth and self-understanding. Humanistic psychologists emphasize the importance of empathy, authenticity, and positive relationships in promoting personal growth and mental health. Finally, evolutionary psychology is a relatively new grand theory that has gained popularity in recent years. This theory is based on the idea that many human behaviors and psychological processes are shaped by natural selection. Evolutionary psychologists study topics such as mate selection, social behavior, and decision-making, and they use evolutionary principles to explain these phenomena. This grand theory has been controversial, with some critics arguing that it overemphasizes the role of genetics in shaping human behavior and underemphasizes the role of culture and environment. In conclusion, grand theories of psychology have played an important role in shaping our understanding of human behavior and psychology. Each of these theories has its strengths and weaknesses, and researchers continue to debate their relative merits. Nevertheless, they have all contributed to our understanding of human psychology in important ways, and they remain influential in the field of psychology today.